live? Yeah, we're live. What's going on, everybody? So, currently driving to a job. I have a client. It's like a jewelry store that I clean. And yeah, we're going to be taking care of them. And then I got a residential job today. So, that's good. I've been wanting to get more residential jobs because they pay more, and for the most part they're easier, but then again they could be difficult too, because sometimes people's screens could be broken. They could be difficult to access windows, but I'm optimistic. Whatever happens. I'll take care of it. We'll do a great job. We'll give the client a wonderful experience. And that'll be that. And then we'll keep it pushing, keep it moving. So I'm going to clean this job. Today's Sunday. What am I saying January for? February the 2nd. So we're already a month into the new year. And before we know it, it's going to be summertime or springtime, then summer, then... Yeah, man, I feel like the years have been flying by recently. Like, I feel like I was 20 not that long ago, you know? I feel like I was a 20-year-old guy traveling and, doing a bunch of crazy stuff when I was... It just feels like yesterday. Now I'm 29. And I know I'm not old, but I know that, the years are passing by faster and faster. And, the decisions and the choices that we make, what we choose to do with our life matters. Try not to waste so much time. Try not to do something or be somewhere that you don't really want to be, and decide to do something that you want to do. Even if you fail doing something that you want to do, at least you're failing in something that you chose. And then again, failure is just a lesson. Losing or failing in something is just more information that you learned on your path that you can use for the next thing to succeed eventually with whatever avenue you choose to go down in life. So, yeah, that's my little, motivational speech. I'm going to get this job taken care of, cleaned, and then potentially do another storefront location. I haven't gotten a response back from my client, but we'll see what happens. And then I'll record a little bit of the residential job that I'm doing, and then we'll go from there. So Alrighty, so we got that job done. So that took like 20 minutes, 25 minutes, something like that. So now I was supposed to have another client, but he hasn't responded to me. I usually clean them every 3 weeks. I tend to not show if a client of mine doesn't respond to me, because I don't like to show up at a job and then they're like, oh, I don't need it this month. It's like, then, you know, I wasted my gas to drive over there. I wasted my time. And yeah, so if you have a client in window cleaning or whatever, you don't always confirm with them unless they said come every week, even if I don't respond. I have a couple of people like that I just show up because they want it every week. But if you don't have that arrangement, you know, better to just get that communication secured, and that way you don't show up to job sites and then they don't want the service. It's like, you know, you feel like, I've had a client do that 2 or 3 times and I cut him off. I was like, you know what? You know, you said you wanted it next month. I show up and then you don't want it. It's like, and then another month you don't want it. It's frustrating. And it's like a cheap job too. So, you know, if you're gonna put up with that, maybe for like a client that is worth it. But like cheap clients, no, cut them off. Not worth your time. There's better clients out there. You just have to go find them. And once you find them, give them the best service you can, and to retain that client. So anyway, I might have to call this person, see if, you know, give it one more shot, see if it responds, and then we'll go from there. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. are always a pain in the butt to take off, but it's not too complicated. Alrighty, so we just got done with the residential job. So today was it was an inside out. Hold on, let me see again. It was an inside out residential job for $229. So a little bit on the cheaper end, but this client of mine is a consistent client that I clean every 2 weeks. I clean her business, and that business provides me a really good reoccurring income. It's a great client, so I gave her a discount. You know, you have to take care of your clients. You know, if they take care of you, you take care of them. You know, so I would usually charge for an inside out. This was a single story, $279, and but like I said, I gave her a discount, and we got the job done. So just give me a second. Okay, we're in the car. Holy hell! Luckily, it wasn't super hot today. It was actually pretty nice weather. But yeah, like I was saying, this was I think I was here for 4 hours, you know, which is kind of a long time, but I mean, I took my time to really clean thoroughly, to get all the tracks cleaned, all the sills cleaned, and so I don't mind, you know, a 4-hour job for $229. But it was a great day. You know, I had that first job, one of my commercial storefront clients, and then I had this job. So today was about just under $300, and just about 4.5 hours of work. So not bad, you know. As I continue to do this business, I want to grow my daily earnings more and more. Sometimes it's less, but I mean, when the work's not coming in, you just have to get out there, pass out flyers, meet people, you know, start conversations, meet business owners, and you're eventually going to start getting work. So yeah, I think this is going to be the end of the video. So if you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.